Flip the rebounder upside down and choose two legs, which will receive the stabilizing bar. There must be only one leg between those two rebounder legs. If you have two legs between, the bar will cross the center of the rebounder and there will be no place to stand. Also, it will hyperflex the top center connection, causing it to break. Remove the rebounder leg tip from the two rebounder legs chosen. Sometimes the rubber tip will adhere to the steel tube. It may be necessary to use a flat blade screwdriver between the rubber and steel to pry the tip loose. Slide the vertical bar sleeve over the rebounder leg tube and replace the leg tip. If you apply a light coating of petroleum jelly inside the rubber leg tip, it will be easier to slip the leg tip back on the steel tube. With all 6 of the rebounder legs seated on the floor, position each bar leg so that the spring button is pointed away from the rebounder frame. If the bar leg is touching the frame, it will cause other parts to bind later on and not fit. Next, we will connect the 2 curved pieces that form the rebounder top. The sides each have 3 holes for adjustment. The tops are a male to female connection, with one having a snap button. Connect the top pieces by depressing the snap button and sliding the pieces together until the snap button engages. The top pieces have a front and back. When standing on the rebounder, the snap button is slightly to the right of center where the 2 pieces are joined. Slide the top pieces onto the bar leg pieces so they rest upon the bar leg snap buttons. Note that the snap button is now in a direct line with the 3 height adjustment holes. The bar system works best when the top pieces slide evenly onto the legs. If one side slides too far and too fast, the top bars will bind. It may be advantageous at this point to have someone assist in evenly lowering the top pieces onto and engaging the bar legs. The stabilizing bar is designed with some flex or movement, so it moves with you as you rebound. Some movement is normal and necessary to prevent injury. It also aids in assembly and disassembly of the bar. The bar can be removed by reversing the assembly procedure. Some customers have suggested that they find it easier to remove the entire bar as a unit prior to disassembly. They have fewer issues with parts binding or snap buttons sticking when the bar is lying flat on the floor. Assistance to keep it sliding off the rebounder legs evenly definitely makes this easier.